Hold on. Why does this look like that? Oh my gosh, you came back. You came back to watch my videos. Thank you. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name's Izzy. I know you might not recognize me. Yes, it's me. It is I just don't have makeup on right now because it's really hot, and I'm about to do like a hair tutorial kind of for you guys, so I didn't want to like have makeup on. I have water dripping on me because I just washed my hair. So today I'm going to do a wash and go. I'm telling you right now, it's the easiest wash and go that you could ever do. Like, these are my favorite products, especially this line right here. Let me tell you about this, how I discovered this. I think I just went to the store and then I was like, okay, I need something, because I had really itchy scalp and I was like, okay, I need something to help. So I went and got the oil, and then it really helps with my itchy scalp. I'm like, okay, this line might be good. This line might be what I'm looking for. So I went back for some more products, and when I discovered this is my favorite product line right now. No, it's not sponsored, although I wish it was. Maybe one day, we'll get to that. Yes, this is my favorite product line. I got the shampoo, the conditioner. It works perfectly. I'm usually one person who likes to try products, and as I said in my very first video on this channel, that I will be trying new products. Like, you guys comment some products below that you want me to try, some product lines that you want me to try with my hair, and I'll be happy to try them, because that's what I do. That's what I do. I'll tell you how it reacts with my hair, but just know everyone has different hair, so just know. And the gel that I use this. I know it's not a gel, I know it's an edge booster. It's supposed to be for your edges. I use it on my edges too, but I also use it on my head, because any other gel does nothing for my hair. Absolutely nothing. Okay, and it's so easy. Look, this is all we're using today. That's it. And this is very organic. There's a lot of organic stuff in here. It doesn't smell like perfume. I don't like putting products in my hair that smells like perfume. Hold on. Why does this look like that? They're always changing it. Why? So this is my old one. They look very different. And this one is red. Well, kind of like reddish, brownish. This one is white. Oh, shoot. I don't know how I feel about this. I didn't know this was going to be... I didn't open it yet. This is my first time opening it. Okay. Well then. So I had no idea it was like this. So I guess this is going to turn into me trying a new product. This is not technically new, but it's new. Why do they change these things so much? It works perfectly. Leave it alone. Also, have you guys guessed what I am yet from my accent? Comment below. Okay, I'm gonna wet it a little bit because this hair done dried up. So okay, I look crazy. I should have just go and wet my hair, shouldn't I? Okay. Hold on. Not okay. I don't know how I turned this very simple, easy video into what it is right now. So what I'm about to do is I don't even have enough to do this. I was about to do one side with this product and another side with the new one, but I don't even have enough. The very first thing that you're gonna need is definitely not this. We don't use combs over here. We use our fingers. Well, sometimes we use combs, but I love like detangling my hair with my finger because I feel like it's much easier. You're gonna put however amount you think it's necessary. Rub it on your hand, and then just rub it on your hair. I forgot how strong this smell is. It got this Vicks smell to it. So now you're starting to see little curl patterns, just a little bit, you know, just a little bit. Yes, I put a lot of products in my hair, and the reason why I like this product so much, especially this one, the volumizing cream, it's like it's really moisturized. Like, it keeps your hair moisturized for a while. Like, I love this product so much. How many times have I said that? I don't know, but I love it. Everything about it, except the fact that they keep changing it every time. And then you take some gel, edge booster, and you run it through the hair just like, oh my goodness. Okay, what is going on today? I'm telling you, I don't like the heat, so I think my hair is reacting also to the heat, but you're gonna have to suck it up, honey. What is going on? Is this video a fail? Yo, is this video going to be a fail? Like, honestly, I don't get it. Y'all want the truth right now? I could barely keep this eye open because the product is really strong in my eye. I don't remember it being this strong. And there's water leaking everywhere. I'm sweating. This video is a fail, but it's all part of the process. I'm telling you, if you're looking for a channel where everything is done perfectly, I'm not your person. I'm sorry. So it's coming along. Wait, hold on. I feel like the new product is doing more than the old one. Are they improving? All right then. Let me stop complaining and embrace the improvement. This video is a mess. If you're still watching, then you're also a mess. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Oh, everything just turned into water. Usually this doesn't happen. I'm gonna just take it as it is. Take it as it is. Take it as it is. I'm gonna do this in the winter or when, like, when I'm in my right mind. Can't lie, it's coming along. Can't lie. Okay, I'm gonna do this side. Be right back. I'm back. This video has been L's on top of L's. So let me tell y'all what happened in the midst of me getting to this point. So I tried doing this the other side. It's not cooperating with me. It's really not. Yeah, my hair just not having it today. That's what I'm telling you. Like, my hair, I think, has a mind of its own, figuratively, of course, because it literally cooperates when it wants to, and when it doesn't, there's nothing I can do about it. I just, like, okay, I just let it be. So yeah. Thank you for watching now. Okay, what else do I have to say? Oh yes, in spite of everything, so after I did the other side, which is this side, I did it, and like I said, not coming out the way I want to. I literally used the whole, like, little edge booster thing on my hair on this one style. So I'm about to be rocking it for a while. You guys might not get some videos, or get videos with this or pineapple. Boom. See, that's the good thing about this style. You could do other styles with it. So next time you see me, I might be in a pineapple from this style. So anyways, as I was saying, I get sidetracked so easily. As I was saying, after I did this, I went to the bathroom. I'm like, okay, it's looking really white right now. Usually it really does it. Like, I think this is why the white product is not. You see this side that I did with the other product? I feel like it's drying out faster because it was, the color was kind of like a brownish color, and it just blended with my hair. But this white stuff is just sitting on top of my hair, and it's really bothering me. So as I was saying, I went to the bathroom. I'm like, okay, I guess I'm gonna have to use a blow dryer. I haven't used heat on my hair since December, since my birthday. Yeah, since last December I haven't used heat on my hair, like, at all. Have I used a blow dryer? I might have used a blow dryer. I lied. Maybe. I don't did I go anywhere this year? Anyways, we've been in quarantine, so I don't think I used it this year. So I was like, okay, there's a blow dryer in the bathroom, let me go use it. I plugged it in, and then it was I put it on before I plugged it in. I put it on a high, and then I plugged it in, and then it wasn't working, so I pressed the little button that plugs into the wall that says reset, and then it was too high. I was like, oh no. So I tried to bring it down. It's a blow dryer that has a big button. You just slide it down, but you know my hair is kind of wet and thing, and as I tried to bring it down because the volume was too high, it just sparks and it stopped working. It completely stopped working. I plugged it in again, press reset, nothing. So yes, this video is an epic fail, but I'm gonna post it anyways because life is not all about winning all the time, because you can't win all the time. You really can't. If you're not a person that wins all the time, I'm gonna tell you they're bluffing. Look at Teddy in the back. Hey. But yeah, this video has been a complete fail. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what I'm gonna title this, like. And apparently my camera just told me my memory card is full. This is great. By the way, this is like my very first ever video. I know the first video you're gonna see is me saying hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, but this is the first video that I actually recorded for the channel, and this is just great. We got to a great start. Anyways, I'm definitely gonna redo this. Thank you for watching. If you watch until the end, you're amazing. You're amazing. Okay, you are an amazing human being. Anyways, I need to end this before it cuts off on me again. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video, do all that good stuff, and turn your notification bell on so you can get notified when this mess posts again. Yeah, I promise next time I'll try to make it not such an epic fail. I'm telling you, it's the heat. I do not deal with the heat. It's not me. It's not me. I like the cold. The cold works better for me in my hair. Anyways, bye.